What's up, YouTube? Sad day. Sad day. The car broke down. It broke down at a friend's house, man. The fuel pump then they went out on me. But look, I ain't saw these new wheels yet. These decent. Look like a real car. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah. So the fuel pump went down at my friend Austin's house. We at his house right now. Let's go see what's up with him.
Shut your
Chill. Oh my god. Oh shit. Real killer. Real killer. Yo, I know you like the chocolate, but you gotta calm down, yo. Ain't that serious. Ain't that what?
Right. Calm down. Calm down. Just because he's black don't mean he's still.
Exactly. At the fuel pump, got my mechanic working on it. What you doing? Why you stop? Why you stop? Keep going.
I had no tool.
Hell yeah, I didn't. You don't need a tool. Use your hands.
Need a tool.
Use your fucking hands. Bro, I just spent fucking
Saved up at least like 6 months.
This 6 months. This is my 6 month salary. Damn, folks. God damn it. All right, it was $263. I blame him.
No.
If I get this fuel pump in, got import direct. I got a warranty, so if it break again, I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna throw it at the fucking cashier, and he gonna give me a new one. Exactly like that. I'm finna get to it. Just a little Craig back at it. We getting this fuel pump out watching.
Like he couldn't see that joint already.
Yeah. Just pull that clip.
Oh.
I watched a YouTube video. I'm YouTube certified, motherfucker. God damn it. That's a little tough. See, this is why you should be doing this.
That's why I should be doing it.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
All right, man. Come on, move.
I got it.
That bitch broke. 100%.
100%.
Car total.
I finally got a cameraman. I just hired him. He's starting at $10 an hour.
Wait, I'm getting paid?
You're not getting paid real money though. We just gonna put in your 401k.
What's that movie?
Hold on. Whoa. That's
Shut the fuck up, man.
Oh, that one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
See how a real mechanic does it.
Everything's better when it's bigger. This is why your oil change takes at least 3 hours.
That's a good oil change.
You see that?
Mm-hmm.
You see how easy it's loosening that bitch?
Did it really?
Hell
I ain't seen
no,
nothing.
nigga. Fuck I look like. That's not what I...
Sucking the dick, I'm doing the race. What?
Alright, so use your damn resources. You don't need to go with so much. You can round the boat off. How often are you going to actually use a socket that's small?
Look at him getting it. Bring my fuel pump now.
Probably ain't what's wrong with it. But you read a forum, I remember.
Yeah, I read it for him.
Self-diagnostics, you know what I'm saying? I just needed you to give me at least 2 hours at about 156.22 an hour, and I would have figured it out for you.
Why so specific?
Huh?
Why so bibit? Why so specific?
Turner's Auto Service.
Oh,
baby.
damn.
Come see us and get your cars like fixed or something.
Yeah, something like that. It got fuel in it. I don't know why it's not working.
This calls for like 2 hours.
For real?
Why? I don't know. Well, that's a car that has all the clips.
No, yeah, you're
Everything,
right, yeah.
you know.
I got a quick release back seat.
You got a quick release car,
Everything.
nigga.
Yeah. Oh, damn. That shit. Damn.
I just spilled the motherfucker all because you took the goddamn light.
My bad. Make sure you
Kill them
dispose.
weeds anyway.
Yeah, make sure you dispose of it safely.
That's not gas. That's water for the EPA.
Yeah, exactly. Gonna help make the bushes stronger.
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with your tank seal.
Okay.
I don't know. Alright, you wonder why that new one ain't gonna fucking work?
I ain't got nothing sharp.
Nigga, what was you using? Come on.
There you go. Good for something. She was interior trim pieces. She's supposed to be on my door. Oh, it's Christmas. Oh, hey, watch out now. Watch out now.
Wrong fuel pump.
What?
$263 income with a tank seal.
Ain't that some shit?
Suck my dick.
My bad.
What are you doing?
I was looking. I heard voices.
Who
I
is it?
hear voices in my head. They talk to me. They talk to me.
He don't talk about black people. No tank seal. Very, very safe.
Yep, you don't need it.
Very, very good. Very, very fast.
Cause if you think about it, the stallions with the cause I ain't got no headers, right? So if the fuel just going straight to the engine, then the motor don't even need a seal.
Know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it makes sense. I'm telling you. You make sure it's turned the right way.
Shut your
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
That jump bowed out a little bit. That jump looks ugly looking. It'll go on there one of these days. It's just a matter of if you want it to.
There you go.
What are my intentions with your daughter? Go ahead and say that this one goes right here.
I
There's
hope so.
many different spots it can
Yeah,
go.
I know, right? It's just confusing.
I don't know why they build these parts like this. That joint just has a little dongle.
Yeah, that's for the extra air. That's the goddamn that goes to the boost. Cause I got a turbo, but I cut it off because I ain't trying to gap these niggas.
You got one of them silent turbos.
Yeah, you can't even hear it. That's how silent it is, but you can feel it. It's like me in the bed. Yeah, I did so much work, man. I did this all by myself, no help. Not it. All right. Time to test it. Go ahead and prime that bitch up, Willie.
See if it comes on first.
Oh, I hear it.
I hear it.
I hear that bitch purring.
I think that bitch start leaking. Is there anything locking it?
Huh?
There's nothing holding it. I gotta hold the brake, don't I?
Yeah.
Fuck
Look at that. First start. What I tell you, man, form diagnosing is the best diagnosing. Don't pay a mechanic. Just look at a form.
it. I told you it was a fuel pump last night.
You're right. You did say that. I'm not gonna lie. You did say it was a fuel pump. I thought it was a fucking Vanos. Because I got a Vanos cam seal code. I thought it was that shit. But it's not. That bitch sounds terrible. Oh my God. But she looked good. Damn sure it looked good. Yes, sir. We going for a ride. Hold on. Let me move my back seats.
My ears burn!
Elgato capture card. Gaming channel coming soon. See how she ride. Oh. We oh, Dad, stop. We launching this bitch. Let's get it. Launch control. I smell the gas more too.
Halfway on. Alright, going for it.
Little clutchy kick.